up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are in Port Lavaca, Texas. We are using some live shrimp and artificial, going after some trout and redfish. But if you haven't been here before, my name is Cade. This is Tides Fishing. We got my buddy Seth with us today and my brother Reese.
What it do, baby?
So we're gonna be trying to find some trout and redfish for y'all. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around. Let's get some fish. Oh, this gotta be a hard head, bro. Hang on, something wrong in front of you. Oh, that might not be. Oh, what do we got? Foul hook? Oh, redfish. Oh. 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 Oh, poop. Alright, in case everyone's asking, you know, we got the usual pop and cork and shrimp. I mean, I think we could. In case we're running out of bait, we can just soak them later. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, dude, he's already...
I told you, them boy.
You can't catch him. Oh, bro, you can't catch these fish. What you got, bro? What you got? What you got? Be a trout. Be a trout. Oh, red.
Bro, look at my pole. I'm trying to hear my drag rip.
I'm trying to hear my drag rip. Alright, people. We moved on. We anchored the boat up. We're kind of wading around. There's a it's mud bottom over here. There's some oysters that we're going to wade up to on this point. But we're kind of making our way there right now. See if we can find anything. I think there's a sea turtle right here, dude. A sea turtle better back up. Oh, that's a bad jellyfish right there. Ow, another log. That dude's ugly. No, sir. Oh, there's some hefty. Ah, that feels like a gaff top. It's gotta be. He's just being all lazy and fat. Bro. I thought he was actually gonna be big though.
Foul hook?
Foul hook, dude. This is like, that's all I do is foul hook fish. What a catch.
I'll put that one on the wall.
Yeah, if he wants to mount my gaff top, feel free. Well, people, mission accomplished. Caught a giant. This one goes out to Seth. Freaking monster trout. Bloop. Oh, he didn't swim too well. All right, a little bit more an update or what?
What's up?
Been rough.
Hey, man.
Maybe more an update.
You hate to see it.
Hate to see it. Not being too hot, but got the necessities, man. Cliff bar, water. Take a little snap break. Then we're gonna move on. Try another spot, I think. And so hopefully we'll find some fish there, but it's break time. All right, new spot. Reese got him on? Man. All right, well, we're at the new spot now.
We're eating good today, baby.
Oh, man, my shin. We call it Bird Island. That's gonna be what this is called, but never fished this before, so we're gonna get in the water and let's see what you got, Reese. There we go.
Sand trout.
All right, let's get in the water. For all my gold fishermen out there, we're out of shrimp, so right here, hook, right through the top. Bang, dude. Ready to go. Seth, what we catching right here, man?
Fish.
Fish. That's the goal. That's the goal. Bro, you're getting real brave out here. Bro, I don't think they like us. Here he comes. Here he comes. Bro, he's mad at us or something. Bro. Bro. Ah, what? Bro.
Oh, he said.
Hey, I just got attacked by a seagull. Bro, he's just gonna go fly down and lay over there like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, he's talking to his crew. He's like, all right.
Hey, he's like, hey, y'all see all those punks over there?
You gotta go back. Hey, that's what me. Trying to give me fake.
This little mirror dino lure is like, I love it, bro, but like, I just never fished with it enough. Like, it looks,
Like a spoon?
bro, check it out, it looks good. Like, look at this sucker. Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, look at this bad boy in the water, bro. Look at this thing. Don't that just look good? I'd eat it. Alright, well, as y'all know, it's a little hot out here in Texas heat, so we're gonna take us a break and get in the water, man. So everyone, it was a slow day. I don't think we pulled any keeper fish.
Catch and release only.
Catch and release only. Y'all know how we do. But quick announcement, we're not gonna be doing the weekly videos anymore just because school is gonna be starting up, and so it's gonna be a lot harder for us to make videos. We're gonna be all three of us actually gonna be going to school in College Station. So Gig 'em gang. But yeah, so we'll be at school in college, so we won't be able to make as many videos, but there will be videos still being made during the summer when we come down and go fishing. I don't know how many. I'm gonna try to aim for like 1 a month, maybe 2 a month right now, and hopefully we'll be able to do that. But we won't have the weekly content anymore. But nevertheless, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed that. Sorry we didn't catch enough fish, but sometimes it's not all about the fish. But we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.